the best woman on the planet.
Ouais, bah ça me dit chaque jour. Premièrement, ouais, moi, on va faire rentrer dans le caille là. Premièrement, femme haïtienne pour nous faire manger.
Say that.
Deuxièmement, on est dans tout l'autre pays. Les gens caresses à tomber, c'est femme haïtienne. Troisièmement, sac pied important, sac pied important. On va le fâcher, ça peut dire. Sac pied important. Garçon bête bah petit péché au premier yo passer l'autre côté tout encore il veut dire vieux voir il veut trouver encore.
See, this is why. This is why.
Ça est pour tout bon.
Okay, and lastly, who was your favorite Haitian artist or band growing up?
Oh my god, I have a lot. But I'm gonna say something that probably you guys are not gonna know that person. Non, Magadi Kimbasi, moi j'ai Kimbasi, c'était bon, je fais du bagage avec Kimbasi. So my favorite singer growing up was José Tavernier. And probably a lot of you guys don't know who it is. Ibo Combo was a band that doesn't even exist anymore, but was introduction for me to music. So I learned from Novalco, which is a great singer that is. So all these singers are singers that probably most of you guys don't know are